Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. The reason I've got a smile on my face, we don't get too many of these 348s through. In fact, I think this is the first one I've seen at Gray's. These cars were the very last V8 Ferrari designed by Enzo Ferrari. They're a mid-mounted V8 and they replaced the 328 Ferrari. This car is absolutely stunning. It was a US delivered car. It has got a ton of paperwork with it. It is still factory left-hand drive, which I prefer. I reckon converting these cars, it's a sin. It's finished in black with a camel coloured trim. It's a pretty rare combo, but it's a striking combo. It's running the original wheels, standard exhaust. Like, the car's just original, like in every aspect. Where you look at it, it's just as it should have been, and as it was when I left the factory way back then. They were called the baby F355. The F355 Ferrari followed a couple of years later, but these were always supposed to be a nicer car, handled a little bit better, and a lot lighter car than the F355. So if you're in the market for a great Ferrari, you want something a little bit different, this car comes up this month, and all I can say is it's striking. Mechanicals are perfect, the body works perfect, so is the interior, and as I said, it's got a full file on service history and everything else about the car. So if you'd like some more information, give us a call on 1300 Classic, shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au, or the car is on display at our Pinken Bar facility if you want to come in or get someone to come and have a look at the car for you on your behalf. But pretty rare, stunning car, prancing horse, doesn't get much better. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.